What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lee Vlogs. Today, having some fun. We're gonna go to a car meet in the Bay, San Jose. So right now, we're about to meet up with a couple of guys, and then from there, we're gonna roll out to San Jose to this car meet. I think it's a Corvettes and Camaros car meet, so should be pretty interesting. We'll have some fun, get some dope footage of some cars, and yeah. No further ado, welcome to the vlog. And if this is your first time coming through to the channel, I do content like this all the time. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can stay informed, get updates every time I upload. I would give you guys an exhaust clip startup, but kind of running late. So this is the best I can do. Sorry, neighbors. We got some of the boys rolling in. Hey, our boy C8, our boy Nick with the C7, matching red. Oh yeah. That shit clean.
My entire cleaning kit just.
I got enough spray for you. I'm not gonna clean it until I get over there. Yeah.
The Grand Sport looking spicy. Shit clean. Damn. Signature wheels on it. Yeah. Alright, looks like we're rolling out from good old LB. Got the Grand Sport over there. C8, C7, and C5. Yeah, should be a good day. A couple revs on this thing. Hey Russ, let me hear it real quick. Yep. Oh yeah. Alright boys, we just made it to the car meet right now. We'll go ahead and cut to some B-roll of all the cars. You guys let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite one at this meet, alright? If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I drop content like this all the time. guys. Lee Vlogs out.